This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, Rahul, that like attendee to is mentioned in chat, na, we covered the list pricing, block pricing, and percent of total.
Yeah, that's correct. Thanks, Kanchan and
Yeah.
Mohit. Okay, I can see at least Nutan, Kanchan and Mohit. So let me share quickly and then we can get started. So yeah, I got the notes as well. I'm taking the notes every day, like whatever completed for each and every batch. So don't worry. Okay, so last lecture we completed list price related pricing method. So if you remember, let me zoom it out. Okay, so last lecture we started with the pricing methods in Salesforce CPQ, and we discussed couple of pricing method which will impact on your list price, right? We discuss original price field that will always come from price book, right? And then we started discussing on list price, and to populate list price on quote line we are having these four pricing methods. These are the two, and this one and this one. So total four pricing method. For first one is bundle checkbox pricing method. So if it is bundle checkbox, anyways it will be $0. If it is block pricing, percent of total pricing we discussed, it will use the block pricing of percent of total and it will calculate the list price. If it is option price override, it will go and check your product option level price and it will create the it will add the list price. If nothing is defined there, then and then your price book price will be copied as your list price. So this is the last topic which we discussed. Let me come back to our slide number 4, right? So slide number 3 is very important, not 4, sorry, 4. Slide number 4 is very important. Original price is the field on the quote line editor, I mean quote line object, which is always coming from price book. List price is something which is coming from price book or block or percent of total or option price, right? So we discussed these two fields. Today we are going to start with the next pricing method, and that next pricing method will impact on your special price. So whatever we are discussing, this very important, and then we'll combine all these things, but let's discuss in pieces, right? It's asking me for to remind. Okay, so once we discuss original price, we discuss list price, we discuss special price. Whatever we are discussing, it's result of cost plus markup price, contracted price and option price, right? So what it means, so special price is result of cost plus markup, contracted option. So these are the two pricing method. Cost plus markup is one of the pricing method, contracted pricing is one of the pricing method. And then we are starting with the discounting actually. So you can see option discount is here. It is also impacting on special price. Then regular price is volume based discount, customer price is manual editable discount, partner discount, that will be partner price, and finally you will get net price, that is your customer price, that is your final price actually. So this is like top down model. So let's discuss one by one and then we'll combine all these things together, right? So if I go back to Salesforce CPQ package, if I go to the any quote line, if I open this particular quote, I just started my motion, maybe that's taking time, but let me open any quote line. Okay, so what we are discussing, we are discussing all the pricing methods and discounting methods. So pricing related information, you can see original price, then list unit price we discussed. So now what I am trying to discuss now, it's special price, right? So special price is the field here, you can see. We will be discussing this field, and into quantity it will calculate total. So these fields are very important. So special price is it's a result of whatever we are going to discuss today. So let's focus on special price. Maybe your original price is $80, $100, your list price is $80, but your special price can be $60. So these three things can be different. So it's the result of all the pricing method that we are discussing, right? So let's start with the special price. So let me go to the product and let me start on that. Let me go to, okay. So the next pricing method is cost plus markup pricing. What is this cost plus markup? So even this keyword itself tells you, don't need to remember these things. Even these keywords itself tells you that we are defining some cost for that particular product, but plus markup. So we are giving the we are actually cost plus markup pricing is a straightforward way of giving sales rep some pricing control. So instead of a product getting priced automatically by Salesforce CPQ, product starts with a base price, that is cost price. Base price might be $100, and then the sales rep can adjust that by an amount or percentage. So if you take the example of car, for example, if you go to the Honda showroom and you want to purchase Honda City, for example, so there that sales rep will tell you like Honda City's price is $14. Sorry, not $14. So for example, 50 lakh, 15 lakh, right? So that is your cost price. Cost price means this is the base price you have that for that particular Honda City. But sales rep can tell you 60 lakh for you because they want more commission. They cannot pay 70, 18 lakh because it's not possible for through market, but they can at least adjust the price by 20, 100, to the 2000, 4000. They can increase the price to get more commission. So that is markup. And sometimes they will tell you 16 lakh and they can sell that with the 15 lakh as well. So cost price is the base price and markup is whatever you are adding on top of that, right? So cost, we are starting with some cost pricing, and on top of that we are adding the, we are giving the ability to sales rep to enter manually the price whatever. So for example, 15 lakh is my cost price, that is base price, and 1 lakh they want to enter more, they will have option. Actually you can see the screenshot. So for example, this firewall, right, this cost price is 2400. It's my cost price, base price, but you will get one checkbox here, sorry, text box here where you can add percentage or USD, that amount. So you can add some amount here, markup. For example, you added 100 here, so it will be 2400 for your, it will be your final price will be 2400. So if I add percentage here, it will calculate percentage and I apply on top of this, so it will increase your price. So this is how you need to configure. It's very simple. So you need to go to the product. For example, your product is Norton antivirus 360, right? So whatever I Norton 360 standard, right? So if I go to the related list, cost plus markup means you need to define your cost here, right? So what you need to do, you need to create one record here with cost price, your base price, right? You can give your base price here. Unit price means you can give your base price here, and that's it. Save it. I already created one record, but I will show you what is my cost price here. I am saying $350. That's the only thing you need to add. Give the cost price, that is base price. Go to product and go to edit and just change your product pricing method to cost. That's the two steps you need to follow. So you need just change this to list to cost, and let's save that. So these are the only two steps. First step is add record in the cost related list which is present on product, and update pricing method to cost. Those are the only two things. Once you add this product on quote, once you add this product on quote, you will see the change. If I delete existing, add products, Norton, you can add any product. If you are from mechanical bundle, you can add any product from there. I'm just giving examples. So Norton standard. So here I can see 50 price, $50. But if I have Norton standard selected, it should be $350 is your special price. List price will not change. List price will as it is. I'm talking about special price, right? So I, we can see we added discount schedule or something for that, right? That's fine. Like it will add, and once you click, let me test this on new product actually, because this product we already added some things, right? Discount schedule or all things. So that's the issue. Let me edit this. That's the we need to do. Why I'm testing on same product, because you should understand these things. So we added discount schedule here as part of one of the batch. So let me check. Your pricing method is cost, right? Your product cost you added, $360 sorry $350. If you go back to product, if you go to the optional for that product option level, I will remove that product option level price. There is no unit price. Okay, so let me add that product again. That's because of your discount schedule, it's changed. Okay, Norton standard still coming as $50 because it's coming $50 because your Norton 360 products price book price is $50, right? So your product price book price is $50. So this is your price. So if you go here, I can say $50. But if you go to, I'm not sure discounting, it's maybe coming from other things, but uh, 297. I'm not sure from where it's coming. Where is my discount? It's not there as well. It's not volume discount. Let me test this on new product actually instead of, because as part of last, what are our products? It's CAD product, right? CAD basic package. So CAD basic package. Okay, so here if I go to the related list, let me define cost here. So if I go and define my cost pricing here, if I'm saying $350 for cost is for a basic package, what is my price book level price? It's $100. Okay, cost price is $500. If I go and edit the pricing method on this CAD basic package, okay, list to cost. That's the only simple change. Just need to change product pricing method and that's it. So let me check optional for, I use this multiple places actually. Just wanted to make sure that there is any price on product option as well, which we discuss option pricing, right? There is nothing there, no discount is there. So let's add this product then to test this out. CAD basic package, which is part of mechanical bundle. So let me go to the mechanical bundle. Let me add this CAD basic package. I can say $100. It's coming from price book, right? So I can see $100. Why it's taking 50? Okay, that's because of price rule we have written. That's fine. Let me calculate this. Just giving to 10%. Let me cancel this code. Actually, the problem is this code. We added some automation as part of one of the batch. I think we added that, right? Price rule we can discuss or not yet. So let me do that now. Don't worry about that. Let me add this cat. Don't want to confuse you. What we did, we just added cost prices here, $350, and on the pricing method we changed cost. Let me add that product. It should say the pricing correctly now. If I go to the add products, we'll be discussing that automation as part of next lecture as well. I mean, like we are on same batch, only difference of 2 lectures. Okay, so I can see $100 is your lease price because it's always, as I mentioned, lease price is coming from, what is the list price? List price is always coming from your this pricing method, price book block, percent of total option pricing. But special price will come from cost plus markup pricing, contracted pricing. So it will not change your list price. You can see $100 is coming from price book, but if you check your final price, it's $350 because it's coming from your cost plus markup price. And here you will see one of the arrow. I don't see that, even I faced that issue last time, but you will see one arrow here greater than. I will work on that, why it's not showing here, but you will see one arrow here greater than arrow similar to this image. Cost plus markup, right? So similar to this image. So if I added this product, you will see list price, you will see net price, and you will see these arrows. So we'll let you know the setting for that. But once you click on arrow, you will get this markup check text box where you can add your own price. If you add 1 lakh, it will add 1 lakh in your this. If you add percentage 10, it will calculate 10% and add it to the your actual price. That's what cost plus markup. So cost plus markup is simply you're defining some base price and your sales rep has ability to manually enter your price. Any questions on this cost plus markup? Okay, It's straightforward actually. It's manual actually. Most of the times they are manually entering the price, right? So this price, so it will automatically add. So you are giving more control to your sales rep. That's the only statement. So straightforward way of giving the sales rep some pricing control, right? So you are starting with some price and then you are giving control. So that is a cost plus markup. Okay. Okay. Then if you save that record, what I'm trying to say here, if I save that record, what I'm trying to explain now, slide number 4, special price I'm talking. So your list price will be $100, but your special price will be $350 because it's coming from cost plus markup price. So if you go to the related list, if I go to this CAD, I should see your list price, original price is coming from price book. List price is also coming $100, but your special price is $350. We'll come back to that scenario, but just keep in mind special from where special price is coming, from where list price is coming, from where original price is coming, from where customer price is coming. So just learn in pieces and then we'll combine how this will work one by one. Okay. The next pricing method is, we discuss cost plus markup. Then next pricing method is account based contracted pricing. So this is very, very, very important concept. So let's take one scenario. So for example, you are working for Quick Heal. For example, Quick Heal is your company. Quick Heal wants to sell these two products to NASA company at $100, but all other customer it will be charged $150. So most of the times what happens, most of the times you will get one scenario like it's very old customer, you have very good relationship with that customer, so you are charging very less amount to that, but all other customer you are charging something else. So what I'm trying to say, if you want to change price based on your customers, what you will do? Is there any solution? Whatever we discuss right up as of now, let's think on the pricing method. What I'm trying to say, I have NASA customer, I want to sell that particular product with $100 to NASA company or NASA customer, but all other customer it should be charged $150. So in short, what I'm trying to say, based on your customer, if you want to change price, what is the way? Whatever we discuss as of now, do you think is there any way? Just think on that side. You have this scenario. Quick Heal wants to sell Quick Heal basic package product to NASA at $100, but all other customer it will be $150. What are the solutions for that? First solution which should come to your mind, dynamic pricing can help, but how Nutan means dynamic pricing means what you are trying to say? You need to write customization for that.
Yeah, I'm just thinking maybe because you're saying as per client we need to change the price, right?
Exactly.
So I don't know, maybe some configuration, but if because if we add some rules on dynamic pricing, right? Probably
Yeah.
we can achieve this requirement.
Yeah, there is one concept price rule, but that is more customization. That's the reason I'm saying you need to add more
Okay.
customization. So instead of adding customization, do you have any configurable better or way to achieve this requirement? Configurable means you can do point and click. So first solution is what I'm thinking is from my side, Quick Heal can create a separate price book for
Price
NASA,
book, right?
and that will have separate price $100 and another price book for all other company, all other customers, that will have 150. So that for example, I have one product, CAD product, right? We'll create two price book, one for which will be used for NASA customer, another for that is the one way. But for example,
So another,
you have
so you're
100
saying
customer.
like we have, sorry for interruption. So you're saying like we have standard price book anyways. Apart from that, we can create an additional price book specifically catering to this Quick Heat, this
Exactly,
NASA.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. But that is not the good solution. Why I'm saying, if you have 100 customer, you have 1000 customer in your company. Out
Oh,
of
so
that
1000
1000
price
customer,
books.
1000
Great.
customer, 100 customer are very special and you are giving special prices to them. It's not possible to create 100 price book for each and every product, right? So that's the reason that is not feasible way, and it will add more work for you to maintain those price book for each year. Each year we are changing some prices. How you will do that?
Correct.
So that's unfortunately this takes a lot of work to maintain and doesn't scale well. That's not the good option actually.
And then we have
Second
different type
option,
of products on the top of it. So it would be
exactly.
like price books per customer would be different, and per product So it would be too
Exactly.
much.
So let's say we have 100 product and 200 special customers. So 200 into 100, so 2000 price book entries will be created, and it's very difficult to manage as well. So just giving example. So that's the reason first option is not feasible. Second option is to rely on sales rep to manually apply the right adjustment. That is not the option. Why we have sales specific then, right? So that is not the, if you are manually adjusting the prices by giving discount or something, that's not the good way. So even that is the not, this will introduce both errors and unnecessary complexity, because even sales rep doesn't aware on the what should be my price, special price for that particular product. And if I have 100 product, they need to go to the Excel, open that, and check the what is my special price for this customer, what is special price for another customer. It's again not manual work, means we don't need CPQ then. Why we are adding manual work? That's the reason Salesforce comes in picture, and it introduced new pricing method, that is account based contracted pricing. So account means your customer, right? So account based contracted pricing means you can have different price for your special customer. So let's say if you take this example, let me revert this setting back firstly. This particular same product we can use for testing. Let me change this CAD pricing method to list. So we discussed list, we discussed cost, we discussed block, we discussed percent of total. So everything is discussed from here, but there is something outside the product as well, customer level. So if you go to this code, if you open my customers, that is account, right? Age communication. On this age communication, we can create your own price, that is contracted price. So you will see contracted price. That's the name of my pricing method, account based contracted pricing. So for that account, we can have contracted pricing. Contracted pricing is the one of the relatedness where you can go and define what is your price for the particular product. So what you need to do, you need to provide your product name, CAD basic package, for example. What is your price? So I'm saying for this particular product, I will be charging $80. You can provide what is the effective date for that as well. Sometimes you are providing special offers between some dates, effective from 2nd of February to expiration date as well. So from this date only this particular price will apply, right? And we'll come back, we can give, instead of pricing, we can give some discount percentage as well, right? So even you can add the filter. So instead of giving product name, you can give filters as well. So if your product family equals to hardware, all these product, right? So whatever the family is hardware, all these product you want to apply 80% price. So you can do that. Even filters are also there available. So I don't want to go that. I will just explain you. So what I am trying to say, I created one contracted pricing record on account age communication is my customer. For CAD basic package, I will be charging $80. So if I save that record, right, $80 should be charged. If I edit line, that's the only simple setup. So what you need to do, you need to add record under contract pricing and create quote under that. That's it. So if I delete right now, what is the charge for that? $100, right? So if I delete this, if I add that product again, it should be charged $80 because you are selling for the age communication customer. If you go with the another customer, you will charge $100 as it is, right? So it's $100, but you can see final price is $80 because you are on age communication by customer. If you go with another customer and if you add same product, it will be charged $100. That's a very simple solution you have. Even you have starting and ending as well for that when you want to available this service to that particular customer. That is we are calling as account based contracted pricing, right? And even let me come back. If I save this record, as I mentioned, what is the field which we are discussing now? Special price. I'm thinking just focus on those pieces, right? Whatever I am discussing, don't worry about all this field. Special price, you can see special price is $80, but your list price is $100. So special price will be impacted based on your two pricing method. One is cost plus markup and another one is contracted account based contracted pricing, right? So coming back to your slide number 4, let me zoom out. Coming back here, so your special price will be impacted based on your cost plus markup or contracted pricing or option discount. So what is this option discount? We will discuss that in few minutes. But cost plus markup and contracted pricing, what will happen if I have cost plus product as well as contracted pricing defined? Because it's not stopping you, right? So you can go to the product, You can change the pricing method here to cost, right? And even you can add the contracted pricing. It's not stopping you. What will happen in that case, right? If you have both the pricing method, cost as well as contracted, forget about option discount. Option discount is something we can discuss, but option discount means even let me discuss on option discount as well. Option discount is not that much difficult. Option discount, if you remember our option pricing method, anyone remember? Option pricing method means if you go to the option product option, right? So if you go to this product option we created, right? Here we have unit price as well as discount, percentage or amount. If you give some discount here, right? So if I give 10% here, if I save this record, this is your option discounting method. So this is actually not pricing method, this is discounting method. You can give amount as well as discount, and this is option pricing method, unit price. So see, pricing methods are different, discounting methods are different. Discounting method we are about to start on that, but unit price, or there is one pricing method, that is option pricing method, where we are going to update unit price on the product option. There is one discounting method that is also again calling as option discount method. So option discount will impact on your special price. Here you can see, right? So it will apply some discount on that particular price. What will happen if I have option discount, I have contracted price as well as I have cost plus markup price? What do you think? The answer
One
for this,
possibility is that it will overtake, I mean, account contracted price should overtake at the account level, override
no.
both the, or would it be a sum of cost price, cost plus markup, and what we had, option
Yeah,
price and
yeah,
contracted price? Huh?
yeah, that's correct. So the precedence, your manual price will take higher precedence, because you, if you think on the cost plus markup price, what is cost
Oh,
plus markup
okay.
price? You are giving some ability
Manually
to your
added.
sales rep to manually edit that price. So that will be your final price. So anyways, that will take higher precedence. So if that is defined, it will not check contracted pricing. If that is not defined, cost plus markup, then and then it will take contracted pricing and you will calculate special price. Discounting tools we are going to discuss in next lecture, I mean next 5 minutes, but this focus on these two pricing method now. Cost plus markup. Cost plus markup, why it is taking higher precedence? Because you are manually giving some price adjustment there. That's the reason it will take higher precedence. If you are defining both the pricing method, nothing, otherwise it will zero charge. It will be charged $0 sometimes. Some discounting tools are there. If you apply multiple discounting tools on same product, it will be charged $0 or minus as well. You need to pay back to customer, even you are selling the product to the end customer. So that's the reason multiple pricing method, multiple discounting tools will not apply on the same product. You can apply, but that is not the good way. You are not configuring the product correctly. So you can raise that hand to your customer or your sales rep, that why you are asking this type of requirement. If still we have this requirement, sometimes cost plus markup is adjusted manually. So if they are giving manual price for that, when you are that when they add this product on the Kotlin editor, they can, that price will take higher precedence instead of contract pricing, and it will calculate special price. Okay. Okay, this is all about pricing method.
Rahul,
So
this
let
is
me go.
Nuthan. I'm sorry, I'm interrupting. But just one question. So we discussed like cost plus markup would be given priority over the contracted
Yes,
price because it
yes,
is defined manually. Okay.
exactly.
But considering the scenario you were explaining, right, where we have basically three methods contributing to the special price. First is cost plus markup. Second is contracted price. Third is option price, right? Option
Option discount,
pricing.
not price, not the option price. Option discount that we are going to discuss in
Discount,
next.
but unit price, if unit price is defined at option product, would that
That
be
is
considered
something.
as
No,
discounting?
no, 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 no. That is not. That's something different. Don't confuse on this. Forget about this option
Okay.
discount. Just 10 minutes. Option pricing
Option
is
price would mean list price.
yes,
Okay.
correct. Option price is list price. There are different discounting method. The one of the discounting method is option discount that we are
Okay.
going to discuss in next 5 minutes. And there
Okay.
is
So if
similarly, yeah,
option discount is also defined, right? As we discussed just now, let's say all three prices are defined: cost plus markup, contracted, and option discount.
correct.
Okay.
What
In
will
that
happen
case, you said, what will happen? Like cost plus markup
is
would be the priority that I understood, but what would happen to option discount?
this is the answer for that. It will take cost is taking higher precedence, contracted will take higher
Okay.
precedence,
So
then
option would be
option.
last. Okay.
Yeah, option will be last option.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. So we'll coming to that. I'm coming to that discounting tools section in next few minutes. So
Okay.
don't worry about discounting now. So just focus on pricing methods. What are the pricing method which we discussed? Let me recap all these things. Revise all these things. So original price is being calculated based on your price book price. Lease price is being calculated based on your price book or block pricing or percent of total pricing or option pricing. Special price based on cost and contracted. So how many pricing method we discussed? First one is price book price, that is list pricing. Then we discussed block pricing, second one. Third one percent of total. Fourth one product option pricing. Fifth one cost plus markup, and sixth one contracted pricing. So we discussed 6 pricing methods, and those are very independent. What is your list price? It will not impact on your special price. Special price is based on this pricing method. List pricing is based on this pricing method. Of the original price always coming from price book. So don't confuse, don't mix these 3 fields. These fields will impact based on these 2 fields now, but don't confuse till special price, nothing will impact here. These are independently calculated, but regular price, it will calculate based on special price. Customer price, it will base, that is different discussion. But these 3 fields, don't confuse yourself. These are independently calculated, right? So any questions on the pricing method? Okay, good. So let me okay, thanks Nathan. So we completed pricing session. Those are very simple examples, so a simple pricing method, but just need to every time. That's the reason on each PPT I added like what are the steps you need to follow, right? If you go to the each and every setup, how do you need to what I tried to this particular batch actually I'm trying to add PPTs, more PPTs, because I feel like people will not test out these things after 2 months. Whenever they get requirement in company, when they join, they will start testing these things, and that time they need, obviously they, if they have PPT, obviously they can test out these things. Okay. Okay, so let's start on discounting tools as well. So this is very interesting topic for everyone. Like if you go to the market, if you get more discount, you will you will 100% buy that particular product, right? Similar things will happen in each and every business, right? If you are selling 100 products to the customer, if you are giving some discounts, obviously that's the interesting point to close the deal, right? So every time you need to negotiate that deal. If you are always saying like this is $100, I will not negotiate, nothing will happen, your business will not expand, right? So that's the reason discounting is very important for your pricing team. So that's the reason we are going to discuss what are the different discounting tools present in Salesforce CPQ, right? So let's discuss those discounting tools. So again, I am coming back to the slide number 4, if you remember. So I'm not going away from this slide. Even in discounting tools, I have same slide, and we will be discussing special price again for this option discount. And then we'll come back to regular price, where we have volume bid discount is one of the tool. Customer price is manual editable discount. So everything, partner discount, distributor discount. So everything from here onwards is related to discounting. These fields will change based on your discounting methods. So let's discuss one by one. We discuss special price, we discuss optional discount, option discount, right? So what, there are different price discounting tools available in Salesforce CPQ. We are calling as discounting tools or discounting method. So first discounting method is option discount, right? So option discount is something as we discussed, right? So if you give 10% discount on that particular product option, CAD basic package, that's the only change. If you can give amount or you can give discount. If I add that product now on quote, you will see some changes there. Shit. Okay, edit lines. I'm just trying to show you now discounting related things. If I delete the existing product, if I add now, delete these things. Okay, if I go to the mechanical bundle, if I add CAD basic package, okay, if I save that, it will be charged $100 because I deleted everything now. So it will be charged $100, but that is your least unit price. It's not impacted. It's always coming from price book, not always, but right now I don't have any pricing method, so it will come from price book $100. But if you check your final price, it's $90. We applied 10% discount automatically on that. That's the end output. You will not see any discount here. This additional discount is manual discount. You will not see anything here, but your price is decreased by $10. We got 10% discount on that, right? On 100. How you can track that? If I save that, as I mentioned, it will change your special price. So your special price will be $90. Your list price will be $100. You can see your list price is $100, but your special price is $90. And how you can track these things in discounting information, similar to your pricing information on quote lines, we have discounting related things as well, additional discount, these things. There we have option discount. So whatever the discount it is coming from product option, that 10% discount will carry forward and store in the option discount field on quote line object. So this is where you can track your option discount. And whatever the discounts coming as part of different option discounting tools, total discount will be calculated, and based on that total discount it will calculate how much amount also you are discounting. So if you give the percentage, it will calculate amount. If you give amount, discount amount, it will calculate percentage. So it's total discount amount and total discount percentage is the total discount we are applying to this quote client based on different discounting methods. First discounting method we just discussed, option discount, but there can be different other discount, partner discount. So all these discount will be added into your total discount. Any questions on the first? It's very simple, but I'm just opening for question. If you have any questions on the option discount, but let me complete one more question here. What I am trying to ask now, CPQ uses the special price field to represent the outcome of cost plus markup and contract pricing adjustment. So what will happen if option discounts are used with one of the other pricing method? It's the Nutan asked same question, right? What will
Correct.
happen if I have option discount with the contracted pricing or cost plus markup? And that answer is we already discussed. It will take the lower precedence, the cost plus markup will take higher precedence, then contracted, and nothing is there, then and then only option discount will be applied on your special price. Okay. Any questions? This is the first discounting tool available in Salesforce CPQ, option discount.
And so Rahul, if one of these, two methods are available, let's say cost plus markup is available and applied option discount is available, then it would be a sum of cost plus markup plus option discount. That would be special price.
No. So if you check this flow chart, if your cost plus markup is defined, it will, if it is yes, it will take cost plus markup and directly calculate special price. It will not go to your option discount. The flow chart is, if cost plus markup is not defined, then it will go to the contracted price. If contracted pricing is not defined, then it will go to the option discount.
This is correct. I mean, as per flow chart, I'm just thinking, trying to correlate basically real time scenarios. So if a sales rep, let's say, I'm giving a markup on the top of base price. Okay. And yet my customer is not satisfied and it's a bundle package. Okay. So I'm giving this markup on the bundle itself, right? Now, even if my customer is not satisfied and they are saying, no, we are purchasing bundle, but out of this bundle, I need one option most of the time. Like you are giving a bundle along with this option product, you are giving two other additional products. That is your wish, but I don't need two other additional products as much I need the primary one, right? So, and I am purchasing primary one in higher volume. So I want some discount on primary option.
Okay.
So what would
case, yeah, in that case, this is not the solution for that option discount. In that case, we can manually add the discount. That is the second technique we will go into discuss that. So just bear with me. I mean, that is manual discount. I'm not saying you are going to stop yourself. I mean, we are not going to stop sales rep to manually add any discounts. I am saying
Mhm.
whatever on option discount, that will ignore for special price. You can add whatever you want. That's the thing I'm going to discuss in few, maybe today. I'm not sure we will be completing that manual discount, but if you go to the code, we are not
So
stopping, and
basically,
it's
what
not
we are
dependent.
discussing is automated methods.
Option automated, exactly. We are not
Okay.
stopping this
Okay.
manual discount. Manual discount means you are going to add here something. So if it is 90%, if I'm giving 10 more percent here, if I calculate,
Okay.
it will give you some amount.
Yeah,
So
I was going to ask second question on this. Then
yes,
how can we define a value here? But you've already shown it now. Okay.
exactly.
Thanks a lot
So
for
we are
this.
not stopping sales rep. We are just stopping the automation only, nothing else.
Hmm. Got it.
We'll
Yeah.
come back to
Thanks.
that. Once we're done with the all discounting methods, then you will got to know, get to know like this is the different things we can apply to adjust and negotiate your deal.
Sure, no problem.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
So the next pricing method is, I mean, discounting tools is very big actually. I'm not sure I can complete in few minutes. Yeah, we can complete in 10 minutes of time. Let me show you. So there is second discounting tools available in Salesforce CPQ, that is volume based discount schedule. What is this volume based discount schedule? So let me give you one scenario here so you'll understood better. So let's say you have quantity of 1 to 10. If you remember block pricing, similar to that, 1 to 10, you want to give 10% discount. Sorry. Then 11 to 20 quantity, I mean, in between that, if you purchase anything, you will get 15% discount. And 21 onwards, unlimited, you will get 20% discount. So similar way we develop for block pricing, if you remember, but I want to develop this for discount. What you will do now? I want to do this for discounting based on your quantity ranges, whatever you licenses you are purchasing. Based on that, you are saying I need this much discount. If you purchase 9 quantity here, 9 quantity, you will get 10% discount. If I purchase 15 quantity, it will go to the second slab, right? It will take 15%. If you go to the third, I mean 21 onwards, anything if you purchase, you will get 20% discount. To achieve this requirement, right? We don't have any option now. To achieve this requirement, Salesforce CPQ provided another discounting method that is called as volume based. Volume based means whatever you're trying to purchase, based on that you will be discounted, right? To achieve this requirement, volume based discount schedule, what you need to do, you need to go to the discount schedule tab. It's very important, huh? Just keep in mind. You need to go to the discount schedule tab, and there you need to create your own discount schedule. So if I go to here, I will say test, for example, demo, or what is the date today is 22nd, right? I will select type as range or slab. So we'll come back to slab. What is the slab? We have PPT for that. So let's discuss range. Range means whatever we are discussing, 1 to 10 range, 10% discount, 11 to 20 to 15% discount. That is range. So I will not change anything here. I will keep as it is everything. So I will not change and will come back and explain all these fields, right? So I will save this discount schedule. What is this discount schedule? I am trying to prepare this data actually. So I created discount schedule and I will go to related list. Here you will see tiers. Similar to block pricing method, you can go and mention your tiers. You will not see any button here because Salesforce CPQ provided this button here, edit tiers. If you go to the edit tiers, you can define your rates there. And as I mentioned in block pricing, you should provide your tiers here. So it is your, for example, tier 1 starting from 1 to 11, because your upper bound should match your next level, next tier's lower bound. So if it is tier 2, it should start from 11 to 21, for example. It's already there, 15, right? So I'm just defining the rates for you. So tier 3, if it is 21 to unlimited, you will be charged 20. So this is how, as you know, upper bound should match with your lower bound. So it should not miss your 10.50 scenario that we discuss as part of block pricing, right? So I'm mentioned this, all this discount, all these things. If I save this, my tiers are ready, my discount schedule is ready. Discount schedule means, right, discount schedule means it's you, this is a schedule for 1 to 11. What is the schedule for that? 10%. So that's the name is discount schedule. Now your job is not done. your ready discount schedule is ready, discount tiers are ready, but which product this should be applied? So you need to give the product name for that. So if you go to our product, let me remove this discount from here, option level, just to test out same product. So if I go to my CAD basic package, same discount schedule you can attach here. So whatever the discount schedule we created, we need to give that discount schedule to product, and that product you can add on the code line. So if you see here, there is one discount schedule object field. We discussed, like we will be discussing these fields as part of pricing and discounting. That's these are one by one field I'm discussing. So what is the field which we created today? Test demo 26th of February. So this is the discount schedule we created. So what will happen now? Let me repeat the step. We create a discount schedule with the type range. We'll come back and explain all these fields. These fields are also important. This override behavior, all these this will not complete in today's session. I mean, this simple field actually override behavior, this will matter multiple things actually. So we'll come back to that. But we created a discount schedule, we added tiers on that, and there we are assigning this discount schedule to my CAD basic package. If I go and add this CAD basic package now, you will see some changes based on your quantity. It will change your tiers, right? If I go to the mechanical, if I add CAD basic package now, list price will be taken from any pricing method, right? So your CAD basic package is added, your quantity is $1. That's the reason automatically 10% is applied, because your first tier is saying 1 to 10, 10% will be applied. If I change quantity to 12, for example, it should apply how many percent? 15%. So if I calculate this right now, I can see 90. If I calculate this, I can see 85, because your second tier is applied there, right? So this is how your tier pricing will work. Automatically, this will be discounted. And the beauty of Salesforce CPQ is even sales rep doesn't aware what is my tiers here for each and every tier 1 to 10, what is my discount, 11 to 20, what is my discount, right? That's the reason Salesforce CPQ provided if any product with the discount schedule, it will display one symbol here. You can see this dollar symbol. If you click on that, it will show you like what is my tier 1, lower bound is 1 to 11, it will be 10%. Tier 2, 11 to 21, it will be 15%. 21 to onwards, 20%. So this is the beauty of Salesforce CPQ. It will automatically display discount schedule, and you can edit as well. That's the reason I'm saying we'll come back and explain all other fields from this object, discount schedule object, right? Let me save this record. What I'm trying to say, this volume based, this is discount schedule name is volume based discount schedule, and the result, oh sorry, and the results of this discount schedule will be stored. Let me go to the slide number 4 again. Your results will be stored, volume based discount schedule result will be stored in the regular price. Regular price is one of the field on quote line object. Okay, so your special price, you can see special price is $100, nothing is changed there. List unit price is $100, your original price is changed, but you can see your regular price is changed to $85 because your results are stored from volume based pricing. So as I mentioned here, regular price will come from volume based discount. It will apply discount, but the results will be based on your special price. What is your special price here? Special price is 100. On top of that 100, we applied 15% discount, then regular price is calculated. So the fields going forward, it will depend on your these fields. List price, special price are independent, but regular price will be calculated. This discount will be applied on your special price, and then your regular price will be calculated. So volume based discount will be stored in regular price, right? And if you scroll down to the discounting section, you will see what is my discount schedule name and what is the tier we applied, and this is the 15% we applied, right? So even how you can track that this particular line is from discount schedule, if that line has discount schedule populated, tier is populated, and discount is volume discount is populated, that is your discount schedule with the volume based discount schedule, and that will calculate your 15%, that is your final price. Any confusion? The steps are very simple. You just need to go, there are multiple things I need to discuss. You need to open discount schedule tab, add discount tiers, and then add that product to the discount schedule by using discount schedule field from product. And there is one more thing actually I want to discuss with you. if you go to, as I mentioned, you can add this discount schedule to your product. Here you add a discount schedule, but if you go to the product option as well, it is interesting thing actually. If you go to the product option, you will see similar discount schedule there. So you have multiple places where you can apply discount schedule. So here as well, you can go and apply discount schedule, right? Here also you can go and apply different discount schedule. If I go to the feature as well, if I go to the feature, there also you can go and attach discount schedule, right? Similarly, single product, we have different things where we can attach discount schedule. Let me go back to the bundle. How many things we discuss? Product, we can add a discount schedule. Product option, we can add discount schedule. Feature, we can add discount schedule. There is price dimensions, right? If you remember MDQ product, let me open MDQ product here. Where is MDQ product? Price dimension is one of the related list, right? There also we have discount schedule. Answer is very simple, but I'm just trying to confuse you now. So here also you have discount schedule. How many places we have discount schedule? See, and then if I go to the account, we have contracted pricing. If you remember, on contracted pricing, you can create your own record on contracted pricing here. Here also we have discount schedule. See, what will now my question is to everyone, we have different places. So my question is, since discount schedule can be applied in so many different places, there are times when there can be a quote line that qualifies for 2 or more discount schedule. What I'm trying to say, if I'm adding product from bundle, if I have option level discount schedule, I have product level discount schedule, I have feature level discount schedule, which discount schedule will be used in that case? What do you think?
I think product level would take priority. Just a while,
No,
guess. No.
no.
So would it be a aggregate of all the discounts? Maybe not.
No, otherwise it will go to minus. You need to pay back to your
I think
customer.
earlier methods we were giving priority, right? We were
Yes.
deciding.
Anyways, exactly. Salesforce CPQ every time it gives you priority.
Yeah,
Nothing will.
this is
The
so
answer to
early.
that is, yeah. So the answer to this question is, these many places, contract pricing, we have discount schedule, price dimension, product option, feature, or product. So the first priority will go to your product contracted
Contract
pricing.
price. Okay.
Second
So
priority to the
higher
price.
level would take priority basically.
Exactly. So if I got contracted pricing level discount schedule, all other things will be ignored. Only contracted pricing level discount schedule will be used. If I don't have contracted pricing level discount schedule, it will go to price dimension. If I don't have price dimension discount schedule, it will go to the product option. If you don't have that, then feature. And if you don't have that, then only final solution is the product level discount schedule. And if you don't have discount schedule on product, nothing will happen. So this is the priority. That's reason Salesforce CPQ pricing and discounting method priority is very important. Don't confuse yourself, because sometimes what happens, you got some tickets, your sales service is asking why these discounts are applied. You will be confused why these are applied, because product level you will see something different, but you don't know, like on contracted pricing level we have discount schedule. So that's the lack of knowledge. So that's the reason priority is very important. Every time you should think contracted pricing, then price dimension, product option, feature, and then product. So this is how you should remember this diagram. Okay, we have multiple things even discussing to discuss on this particular volume based discount, but let's continue that for tomorrow. So volume based discount, we have multiple things again to discuss here. There are different fields on this discount schedule. Those are very important: override behavior, excluding price book IDs, constraint, product aggregation scope. So cross orders, cross order, these two checkbox are very powerful. When I'm explaining that, you will understood like what I'm trying to say here. These fields are very important. Okay, so let's continue that from tomorrow onwards. So let me ask question to everyone. So everyone is there, Kanchana, Mohit, and Nutan, right? So I'm planning to take, because I know like last 2-3 days we are not taking sessions. One day I was not there, right? One day everyone was there, but the link was not. I mean, yesterday I was trying to join the link. Let me stop recording first. That is the, don't want to add those